What happens if the tap runs dry in your city? Could you turn rainwater, river water, or even a muddy puddle into drinkable water? In the next several minutes, I'll show you a DIY water filter system using everyday items, so you can stay prepared wherever you live. In an urban emergency, clean water can disappear fast. Floods, infrastructure failures, blackouts, all can disrupt your access to safe drinking water in hours, not days. But here's the good news. You don't need a fancy kit or hundreds of dollars to make clean water. You can build a powerful emergency filter with materials you already have. Here's your DIY water filtration checklist. A 2-liter plastic bottle or a clean soda bottle, coffee filters or a clean cloth, activated charcoal from pet stores or aquarium supply, sand, fine and coarse if available, small gravel or clean pebbles, a rubber band or cord, and a knife or scissors. That's it. You're 5 minutes away from building your own filtration system. Step 1. Cut the bottom off the bottle and flip it upside down. It's now your filter housing. Step 2. Place your coffee filter or cloth at the neck. This catches fine debris. Step 3. Add a layer of activated charcoal. This removes odors, chlorine, and some bacteria. Step 4. Add a layer of fine sand, then coarse sand. This traps dirt and particles. Step 5. Top it off with gravel or small stones. This helps keep the sand in place. Bonus tip. If you only have muddy water, pre-filter with a t-shirt to extend your filter's life. Now pour your water through the top. It'll slowly drip out clean at the bottom. But here's the key. Filtered does not mean safe. You still need to boil or disinfect to kill viruses and bacteria. Bring it to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute, or use water purification tablets if boiling isn't an option. That's how you turn almost any water source into clean, drinkable water, with zero electricity and almost no cost. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly survival tips you can actually use. Stay ready. Stay resilient. See you in the next one.